The belief in a supernatural source of evil is not necessary. Men alone are quite capable of every wickedness. Someone once said that if you wish to draw off the people from a bad or wicked custom, you must beat up for a march. You must make an excitement, do something that everybody will notice and showcase evil. And that's exactly what Shaitan's director Bijoy Nambiar has done. Bijoy's film Shaitan's tagline probably sums up his own real-life character, face your inner Shaitan. Apparently, CBI has Bijoy Nambiar under the scanner for serious offences like cheating and forgery. Bijoy and his family have been booked for a ₹5 crores cheating and forgery case, and the investigations are in process to find out if any part of this amount was actually invested in this film, which is being produced by Anurag Kashyap. Bijoy, along with his father, has a textile export business and had availed a loan from Union Bank of India of ₹4.58 crores by forging export bills in the name of the company Minara International Limited, which deals in bed linen, towels and cushions. Apart from Bijoy, his father UK Nambiar, mother Shushila, brother-in-law Vijay were also framed for this fraud. This huge amount was availed after submitting fake shipping and landing bills, even though no export ever happened. And where this money was actually spent is still being investigated by the CBI. The film Shaitan was supposed to be Bijoy's Hollywood film to be made by Ashok Amritraj, but was finally made by Anurag Kashyap in Hindi when Amritraj backed out. Bijoy's errant life doesn't end here, as he was Raj Babbar's daughter, Juhi Babbar's ex-husband, and Bijoy's father claims that Bijoy allegedly spent most of his money on Juhi Babbar and his family, because of which Bijoy's company faced a financial crisis. Juhi Babbar and Bijoy were seeing each other for 2 years before they finally tied the knot in 2007 but got divorced soon after. However, our reliable sources have confirmed that the only gift which Bijoy had given Juhi was the engagement ring, and at that time, Juhi actually wanted only a simple ring. She even sold it off after divorce and donated the money to charity. Juhi Babbar apparently didn't even claim alimony from Bijoy. So do you think that this budding director, who's worked as an assistant under Mani Ratnam, is guilty? This is Sandeep Kumar for Rajshri.com.